going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. I hope everybody's doing excellent even during these crazy times that it seems that we all seem to be facing right now. So I've been bored for a couple of days at my house. My friend Tony's over here, Sarah's with me, and we've just kind of been self-quarantining, self-isolating, trying to flatten that curve that everybody keeps talking about and just staying at home and trying to stay well. But I know that, all the car community's done right now. There's no shows going on. There's no gatherings. Cars and Coffee, all that fun stuff is canceled, which is a bummer. But again, it's a smart idea. But, I started getting a little bummed out. I always like doing car things, like going around with my car. And decided that there are some things that you can do to keep yourself entertained as a car person, even during these crazy times, during these unfortunate circumstances. And if you're self-quarantining, maybe you could do some of these too. I think you guys might already know what the first thing is going to be, something I do in every video anyway. The Subaru is absolutely filthy right now. It hasn't been washed in, gosh, probably a week or two at least. You can just see like how grimy it is. So step one of something you can do in a quarantine or an isolated situation is wash your car. So let's get to it. And of course we got Tony's beautiful G right here, so we're gonna have to move that out of the way. He's upstairs sleeping right now, taking a much needed nap, so we'll get his car out of the way and he'll probably come out here and join us in a little bit. Oh yeah, Tony's gotta clean his car too. Let's start the G up. Oh yeah, clean, shiny carbon. All right, guys. We got the step one done, which is to clean the car. And yeah, looking way better. I feel accomplished right now. So we're gonna get to step two, and I'll show you guys what that is right now. Step two is something you can do any day, but especially when you're in quarantine or in isolation, you'll have some extra time. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna check all my fluids, check the engine oil, check my brake fluid, coolant, windshield wiper fluid. Just going to make sure I have everything nice and topped off. I've got all the liquids here with me, but if you don't, I'm sure you can get it delivered if you don't have access to a store right now. I already got my oil changed and all that not too long ago, or you could also include that in this step, is if you need a fresh oil change or you need to flush anything out. This is a really great time to do it. So we'll get all these all these fluids checked right now. And again, that's step two of what you can do as a car guy in isolation. All right, so we got it all prepped up. Just want to make sure you don't use too much pressure, probably about something like that. You don't want to go pull it all the way, but all right, let's start spraying it down. You can already tell just by spraying it just barely, it's starting to look way better. All right, now that I've got it all soaked, I'm just gonna kind of wipe everything down with terry cloth here and start cleaning it up a little bit. I can already tell it's starting to look a lot better just by spraying it off. Now you want to make sure you do this when your engine's nice and cool, which obviously haven't gone anywhere for a few days, which is why I'm making this video in the first place. So we'll wipe this down and then we'll get to step four. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know the best part about when I actually fix something on my car is seeing if it still works afterwards. Oh my gosh. No lights. Success. Let's get to step four. All right, so obviously the first three steps of being in isolation as a car guy all involve doing some things with my car, but maybe there's some people out there that don't actually own a car, or maybe you don't have the space or the resources to work on your car, or maybe it's just not as beautiful outside like it is here today in North Carolina. Step number four is for you. Step number four, you can still be a car guy, but today I've got a little car puzzle here. We're going to be putting together a Lamborghini Murcielago. I've never actually done one of these before. Sarah got this for me a while ago, and I just personally I haven't had any real time to kind of sit down and enjoy myself. So, with being in isolation for the next few days, I'm gonna have plenty of time to get this done. This is like a little Lego puzzle, but of course there's plenty of options out there. You can do Amazon or eBay and order some actual model cars, maybe take some extra time, do one where you can paint it. If you've seen any of my previous videos before, you know that I love model cars, and I've got a whole collection inside, which at some point during all this madness, I'll probably clean it up and take some more pictures of those. But step number 4, pretty much anybody can do this. Put together a model car, really sit down, enjoy yourself. I was gonna do it inside, but today is absolutely gorgeous. So I think I'm gonna sit in my garage and work on that. And then we'll get to step number 5. Made it out here pretty much until the middle of nowhere. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. But yeah, just want to wish everybody well during this crazy time we've got going on. But just keep in mind, it doesn't have to be super depressing. There's plenty of things you can do still. My heart goes out to everybody who is affected by what's going on in the world right now. I know I feel very, very fortunate myself that my family, my friends, we're all doing just fine, and you know, everybody's going to be okay at the end of this. Just know it's a long journey ahead. We don't know what's in store for us, but I know the car community will be back very, very soon, and we're going to rally together and be there for each other no matter what. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to bring some more videos, especially when all this craziness clears up and we can actually go out and do things with other people and go to some car shows and go to some events. But if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you're going to be at home for a while, if you don't mind, just go browse some of my videos if you do enjoy them, and kind of help support the channel. It's still growing. Anyways, thanks guys again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and peace out.